Good day, dear traders all around the world. As you know, the more important thing in any trade is entry point. When you have the entry point, you have everything. Today, I am coming up and showing up with indicator, Forex indicator, working only on MetaTrader 5. As you see, my account with IC Market MetaTrader 5. This indicator give you arrows, up arrows and down arrows. You can see it is very useful indicator for giving you the accurate entry point. Today I am going to explain to you how it is working. The name of this indicator SS26. So let's start explaining. First thing, this indicator give you many signals. That's why you need to filter it. How you filter it? You use moving average 100. Now I can show you in the chart indicator list. You can see I have SS26. This properties of SS26 that give you send email, a double alert and push notification, colors, everything it is you can comment. Okay, and you have moving average 100, simple. Okay, best time frame to work on is 1 hour time frame. So now we are in EOD, Australian dollar against New Zealand dollar. Here we have moving average and here we got the signal. You will get alert in the opening of this candle. So your entry will be here. Always your stop loss will be here in this support. But keep in mind, we don't have take a profit. Our take a profit always open, but we will change the stop loss to break even after first 10 pips. Once the price make more than 10 pips, we change our stop loss to break even. And if the candlestick is above the moving average, we take only buy trades. If the candlestick below the moving average, we take only sell trade. As you can see here below, we didn't get any sell signal, so we don't trade here. In this case, when it is above, we don't take. No, you can see the arrows come down and the candle is above, but the next candle, when the alert come enter here, in this case we cancel. We need it to be second candlestick that open and closed below the moving average. This case you can see the candlestick is above moving average, but the price that went down. In this case we hit stop loss because our stop loss will be here. Here will be our stop loss and here will be entry point. But let's check if the price made, no, the price didn't make any profit. So in this case, but you can see one trade hit the stop loss, but here trade, you can see here trade, it made a profit. So as I explained, win rate of this indicator is about 70%. But if you use it with your own, not 70%, I think about 80-90%. So if we go to object list, horizontal delete, let's make another one. In this case, you can see Here will be our entry. Here we got signal here. Our entry will be here. The second, you see the first candle closed, the second candle open and closed below the moving average. So we continue our entry. You can see how down the price went. If we say here, it is about 46 pips, even more if we can handle more. Here another point you can see, we got the entry here. So this is our entry price from here, and you see, let me make it better. Think this is the entry price, and you can see how much the price went up. About 83 pips. This indicator, of course, not 100% win rate, but it is high win rate. I can tell you 70% win rate guaranteed from my own experience. Okay, let's try it with another pair, for example, euro dollar. You can see we got signal here and the price went how much down. Let's see on GBP USD, we got signal here and the price fly down. Let's check on USD CHF. See, we got the entry here. The first candle closed above moving average. Second candle where we got signal, it's open and closed above the moving average. And here was our entry, and you can see how much this made. It's made about 72 pips. So this indicator for mainly manual trading, it is very profitable, and I highly recommend you to use this indicator. You can see many examples of the trade. You can see in this option the candlestick is above moving average 100, and we got entry here, and the price did fly up. If you have any question, don't feel free to contact me, and I will be more than happy to answer in any question you have. For download the indicator, you will find the link in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching this video.